Good morning, Sanjeev uncle. I needed your help. I have an entire day of fieldwork ahead of me and I'm not sure how can I keep my wrap fresh and last the entire day. If you have any tips, please help me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so I'm thinking I have tortilla wraps with me and that would really help me in making just an aloo ki sabzi ka wrap. Kal raat ki aloo ki sabzi padi hui hai. And I think I would also have paneer, which would really help me stay full for the rest of the day. Oh, there it is. Lovely. So the only reason why I want to eat out of a dabba and not from any other restaurant while I'm on the road is because it becomes very difficult to manage the timing according to your customers. Kal raat ki aloo ki sabzi is going to be a big savior for me. I love the fact that there was paneer already in the house. It'll really help me stay more full for the rest of the day. But I also want it to taste a little more saucy than it is right now. So I'm thinking शायद एक chili sauce, एक sriracha डाल देती हूँ मैं. थोड़ा सा ही, otherwise it'll end up getting very, very spicy. Okay, so this mixture looks ready, but I feel sirf aloo और paneer will make my tortilla a big ball of mush. I want some crunch. So a little bit of onion, that should be easy. Let me see what else I have in the fridge. Bell pepper looks nice. Okay. So I think this is more than enough for me. And probably just half the onion also. So the whole point why I'm even making this is because I don't want to eat roti sabzi. That would have been so much easier to make. But the wrap, I feel कि मुझे जब मन करे मैं उसको आराम से एक बाइट खोल के मैं खा लूँ और वापस डब्बे में डाल दूँ. It would make my life a lot easier. The whole point of making a wrap is to not be messy around my colleagues, right? So we don't want that. That's embarrassing. Where's my tortilla? Oh, there you are. Oh my God. I hope it's Sanjeev uncle's tip. Yes, it is. Okay, let me.
Wrap को fresh रखना है. When you roll it, first do it in some paper kind of a wrap and then finally roll it in aluminium foil.
Perfect. He made it sound so easy. I absolutely love the convenience nowadays. I mean, I'm so not an atta goondoing roti person. I just don't like the mess in the kitchen. But अब सब कुछ available है. So ready-made, so healthy that I absolutely love कि मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. Just जाओ, पैकेट उठाओ, mix करो, हो गया काम. Just look at it यार. 30 seconds से कम and मेरा काम खत्म. I just love it. That looks perfectly done from all sides. I love it. I like my rotis a little soft. Just going to start assembling my wrap. I'll put some mayonnaise on this. I feel like it'll add some that remaining sauciness. नहीं तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है एकदम dry सा हो जाएगा ये. इतना तो hectic day होगा ही. मेरी calories burn हो जाएंगी. No stress. Okay. अब मैं इसको डाल देती हूँ. थोड़ी सी मेरी सब्जी. Just a bit of you here. Bit of you here. My crunch. Little bit of my crunch. Here you go. Look pretty. Because I need it to feature on my Instagram. So yes, here you go. अच्छे से हो जा fold. Please, please, please. Yes. Oh, tight हो जाओ. Great. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck this in ताकि ये leak नहीं हो. Here is Sanjeev uncle's tip. It was a very good suggestion because मेरा यही सबसे बड़ा problem है कि ये इतना soggy हो जाता है. What could I have done to make my life better and easier? So there it is. इसको भी मैं यहाँ से कर लेती हूँ. I can tear it and eat it as I go. Not the best skills. Yes, looking lovely. Done, Tana, done. एक selfie तो बनता है.